Hi everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG ERP account setup. So today I am back with a new tutorial regarding the team structure, how you can set the team structure at your end and from your admin account. And this can be done in following few simple steps. So first of all, how does a team structure look like? So you can see I have shared my screen and it is showing a team structure of any of your organization. So basically the team structure looks like that. At level 4, you can have the business head or CEO or CMO. And at level 3, you can have the managers, be it sales manager, marketing manager, relationship manager, branch manager. And at level 2, the other persons who are reporting to the level 3. So this is the hierarchy level in which level 2 will report to the level 3 and level 3 will eventually report to level 4. So it should be noted that you can form n numbers of level 3 persons and n numbers of level 2 persons in BORG ERP account. There is no such restriction. And it is well understood that level 2 is reporting to level 3 and level 3 is reporting to level 4. So this is how our team structure looks like. And simply we have to implement this in our BORG ERP account, main account. So coming back to our main account, I am showing you a demo entry over here that in this particular demo account, we are having this team structure that Krishna Singh is at level 4 and Sohan Singh is at level 3 and Rajesh Singh is of level 2. So you can see the level, the person who is reporting to whom. Okay. So this team structure is very much important when we assign service tickets to our users. So eventually this hierarchy level which you have set here will reflect over there and all the data will be fetched automatically. So here you know that Rajesh Singh is reporting to Sohan and Sohan is reporting to Krishna. So we can edit these all team structure as well also from admin account. Say for example, I am showing you one of, for example, here you can see Meenakshi is there. She is reporting to Nutan. So let me edit in her profile. So this is her profile with all details, password, reporting level and reporting manager. Here you can see that reporting manager name is Nutan. Now I need to change. So I will select. Now I will select at level 3. Level 3 is Sohan. I need to put level 4 and now I will see, yes, Krishna Singh. So now Meenakshi will report to Krishna Singh who is at level 4. So now I am updating this user and this is done. Coming back to the team structure, now I will refresh and I will see how it is reporting. So you can see Krishna Singh at level 4 and Meenakshi is reflecting here at level 3 and you can see Meenakshi is also being reported by these all who are at level 2 and you can see Sohan also is being reported by Rajesh Singh who is at level 2. So it is well understood, it is very much clear now that how team structure can be set up, can be defined at your end. And this can be very much useful in tracking of your team, that who is reporting to whom, and eventually the task and the service tickets, these all things will be managed in a proper way. And this can be done with following simple steps. So this is how the team structure is going to be helpful in your BORG ERP account. If still it is not done from your end, please do it by following these simple steps. Hope it will be useful in your account. And if you have any queries, you can call up or mail to us. And if you find it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.